Imagine an American icon, one of the most legendary names in automotive history, rising from the past not as a nostalgic relic, but as something entirely new. Something sharp, powerful, and unapologetically luxurious. That's exactly what we're looking at today. The 2027 Cadillac Eldorado, a jaw-dropping restomod that takes everything the world loved about classic American luxury and injects it with the DNA of tomorrow. And I'll say it right now, this might be the most compelling Cadillac reimagination we've ever seen. Before we get into every detail of this stunning machine, if you're a car enthusiast, a design lover, or someone who just appreciates when heritage meets innovation, hit that subscribe button right now. We drop content like this all the time, and you do not want to miss what's coming. Drop a like on this video if you think the Eldorado deserves a proper comeback, and share this with someone who'd lose their mind over a car like this. All right, let's get into it. Starting up front, and wow, this car doesn't ask for your attention. It demands it. The Cadillac grille is still wide, still dominant, still instantly recognizable, but it's been refined with precision. Polished chrome meets subtle dark accents, and the LED lighting is masterfully embedded into those classic rectangular housings. You get that futuristic glow without erasing a single ounce of heritage. That long, sweeping hood, still here. That wide, aggressive stance, even more powerful than before. Beat. This is what happens when designers respect history instead of running from it. The side profile is where the Eldorado truly sets itself apart. The proportions are unmistakably classic American luxury, low, long, and impossibly sleek. But this isn't frozen in time. It now rides on modern multi-spoke performance wheels that fill the arches with authority, giving it a planted, muscular posture on the road. And that finish, this deep, rich golden brown metallic paint, is something else. Under direct sunlight, it shifts tone and depth, tracing every body line and surface curve like a living painting. It doesn't just look expensive. It is expensive in the best possible way. The rear of this car is where classic DNA and modern design language collide in the most satisfying way imaginable. A full-width LED light bar stretches across the back in one seamless sweep, flanked by vertical tail fins that feel like a direct nod to Cadillac's golden era, but with a thoroughly contemporary execution. The Cadillac nameplate is boldly spelled out across the trunk, and the Eldorado badge sits front and center, proud and unapologetic. Quad exhaust outlets flare out from the lower fascia, completing a rear view that's equal parts muscle and grace. This car doesn't just have presence, it owns the road behind it. Step inside, and the shift is immediate and total. The cabin is wrapped in rich cognac leather, full grain, beautifully stitched, warm, and inviting in a way that only the finest materials can achieve. The dashboard is a work of art. Digital instrument displays flow seamlessly into a wide, curved infotainment screen, all framed by genuine wood trim that stretches across the dash and center console. It feels modern, but it doesn't feel clinical. That's a balance very few automakers ever get right. The steering wheel is a personal favorite. Classic in its circular simplicity, it carries the Cadillac crest at its center and integrated controls along the spokes. It feels like something rescued from the past and rebuilt for the future. Ambient lighting traces the contours of the cabin in soft, sophisticated tones, while the center console houses a refined drive selector and premium controls. Everything within reach, nothing out of place. And driving it. From behind the wheel, gliding along an open road, this car feels calm, composed, and completely effortless. It doesn't try to impress you, it simply does. Now, the Eldorado is clearly a luxury-first machine, but don't mistake refinement for weakness. While official specs haven't been confirmed, based on the caliber of this build, we'd anticipate a modern Cadillac V8, potentially twin-turbocharged, producing somewhere in the range of 450 to 600 horsepower. paired with smooth rear-wheel drive dynamics and a sophisticated suspension system tuned for the perfect harmony of comfort and control. This isn't a track day weapon. It's something better, a high-speed Grand Tourer built for effortless power delivery and mile-eating long-distance comfort. The kind of car you take on a cross-country drive just because you can. Now let's talk real-world reality. If Cadillac, or a top-tier custom builder, were to bring a machine like this to market, you'd be looking at an estimated price somewhere between $120,000 and $180,000, with customization potentially pushing that ceiling even higher. As for timing, we're looking at a potential late 2026 to 2027 window, possibly as a concept-inspired limited production run or an exclusive bespoke restomod offering. This is not a car for the masses, and that's precisely the point. The 2027 Cadillac Eldorado is a statement, a declaration that American icons don't belong only in museums. They belong on the road, evolved, elevated, and alive. Classic design, modern execution, legendary nameplate. The 2027 Cadillac Eldorado checks every single box, and then some. So here's the question I'll leave you with. Should Cadillac make this official? Should the Eldorado ride again, for real? Tell me what you think in the comments below. I read every single one. And if this kind of content fires you up the way it fires me up, like this video, share it with a fellow car lover, and subscribe so you never miss the next one. Until then, stay curious, stay passionate, and I'll see you in the next video.